Backbase is at the forefront of revolutionizing the banking industry by spearheading the industry towards business and IT transformation, all surrounded with and around the customer. We believe that re-architecting banking to be customer journey focused is at the forefront of our mission, because at the end of the day, that's what it's about. It's about ensuring that the customer gets the best possible experience and the bank employee is empowered to enable that experience for the customer. This mission cannot be achieved by working in silos, and therefore we have a very strong partnership strategy to ensure that we work with the ecosystem around us to ensure that our banks and customers get the best possible experience out of the Backbase platform. When it comes to working with partners, we work with strategy and advisory firms. These firms allow us to provide our clients with the latest and greatest that is happening within the engagement banking arena. They allow us to provide the latest advice in terms of trends and also to provide a true cost-benefit analysis of moving towards a journey-led progressive modernization approach. In addition to this, we also work with systems integrators. Systems integrators help accelerate time to market, help build efficiencies, and also enable the digital factory model, which allows banks to have resources that allow them to progress on their own journeys and not be reliant on the wider ecosystem. Finally, we also work with cloud providers, tech vendors, and fintechs. Cloud providers provide a solid foundation, and as you very well know, banks are now moving to the cloud at rapid pace in all markets, especially within the Middle East and Africa region. In addition to that, Backbase also has plug-and-play capability with various fintechs, from KYC providers, payment providers, messaging providers, so on and so forth, so that customers can come to our platform and get an end-to-end ecosystem view of both their upstream and downstream channels, which also includes integrating with core banking. This seamless interoperability across the partner ecosystem allows our customers to get the greatest value out of the Backbase platform, and also enables us to ensure that we have a strong end-to-end value proposition that we can offer to banks within the region. The user experience by having partnerships with Backbase is enhanced because it helps accelerate their digital transformation endeavors. Now, banks spend a significant amount of time, resources, and budget to basically manage point-to-point integrations from various siloed systems that they have within their organizations, be it core banking systems, CRM systems, other systems of engagement. And most banks have basically built a model where they have created a spaghetti-based tech stack that has been added to iteratively over the years and not really unified. This unification and point-to-point integration is a big pain for many banks. And where partnerships come into play is we recently, as Backbase, launched a proposition we call as Grand Central. Grand Central is effectively a unified API-based value proposition using the Banking Industry Architectural Network, or BIAN network, that basically allows banks to connect seamlessly with all of their systems of engagements and systems of record below the actual Backbase digital engagement banking platform. And because this is done via unified APIs, this has basically very little cost. It requires very little budget, and it's highly efficient. What that enables a bank to do when using the Backbase digital engagement banking platform is to get a unified access to all of their data from any underlying system that they may currently be using, and therefore provides them with one single source of truth and one seamless view that they can use to empower their digital transformation journey, and in specific, empower their customers to have a better experience. So Backbase has completely revamped our partnership strategy and partnership model in recent years in order to reflect what we're seeing in terms of the demand from our customers, right? As previously mentioned, customers no longer wish to work in silos. They're looking for an end-to-end solution and an end-to-end model where they can work with different players in order to solve their problems. Therefore, Backbase's revamped partnership strategy now includes a whole host of benefits where we're bringing the best of Backbase towards our partners. What does that mean? What that means is that when we work with any specific partner, we work on a clear joint go-to-market plan. And within that go-to-market plan, we have several incentives that we offer our partners as a collaboration tool in order to work seamlessly together as Backbase and the partner. These various incentives do include deal-based incentives. They include marketing funding. They include access to our training and certifications, access to our delivery teams and working with our delivery teams on the ground in various projects so that they can truly understand what is the best methodology to implement Backbase. We provide sandbox environments where partners can access the Backbase ecosystem and localize for specific key markets or offerings, because in our region there's a lot of local nuances and you need to connect with a lot of local systems as well. In addition to all of that, we also have specifically for our fintech partners what we call our fintech as a service capability. And this is where we seamlessly integrate our platform with the platform of the fintech in order to have one specific offering. So as an example, if you're looking for the Backbase digital engagement banking platform and also looking for specifically KYC capability, we can bring our fintech as a service proposition to you and work with a customer to ensure that they have multiple options to address that specific KYC challenge. What that also means for partners is, other fintechs are more than welcome to join us, right? We are constantly looking to expand our fintech as a service marketplace because we know that there are many innovative fintechs out there. And we want to work with all of them where it makes sense with the right business cases in order to ensure that we have the most complete combined joint value proposition together. So the vision for Backbase's strategic partner ecosystem is to harness the capabilities of all our partners to re-architect banking around the customer, as it aligned with our mission. And within our various partner types, each partner type brings a specific skill set. So as an example, our strategy and advisory partners, they are market influencers, thought leaders that are really shaping the narrative around where engagement banking is going and how can banks support in that journey. With our system integrator partners, these guys provide the deep expertise on delivery and capability. They are true domain experts in understanding really how to get into the weeds of a bank's complex ecosystem and implement Backbase in tandem with the other solutions that the bank already has. And with our cloud providers and fintech players, we're building that seamless capability and connectivity that allows the bank to access the latest and greatest fintechs on various domains. And they provide the domain expertise and specific knowledge around, as an example, payments and other complex topics, which are very, very relevant and margin incentive to banks. In essence, when it comes to our partnership strategy, we are really focused on three core things. We're focused on having a differentiated value proposition with each of our partner types. We're really, really strongly focused on ensuring that each partner has a very strong affinity to the Backbase platform as well as the overarching ecosystem that we bring to the table. But most importantly, we are focused on delivering success together, because joint success with partners means a successful outcome for our customers, and that is the most important factors.